Hey guys, it's ZACHARYEDWARD. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a second video of this year, the year of January, a second video. Like, I feel like I'm on a roll. I'm doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I am going to be doing a tutorial using the Latte palette by Dominique Cosmetics by Dominique. I got this really pretty sultry brown smoky eye. I matched it with a really pretty like nude natural lip, you know, like classic me. I'm sure you guys are gonna drag me for it, but I think it's pretty and this is what I like. So if you guys wanna see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I decided to start this video with a full face on. That way I can just do just the palette because I really wanted to focus on just using this palette, and I feel like anytime I do a tutorial where I do my eyes first then my full face, it just takes way too long to edit. So I thought it'd be like quicker if I just do this. So I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics, the Latte palette today. Look at this pretty packaging, this really pretty rose gold packaging right here. So nice, got it from her launch party. It was so amazing, it was so much fun. There was like all this really good food, really good wine. It was like this really cute like boutique place. So yeah, I'm kind of just gonna go into the palette. All right, so whenever you take it out of the PR box, it's just this really pretty rose gold coppery sleeve, and then you just pull it out, and it's just this white, pretty rose gold on the packaging. It's just a white palette. It has like a cardboard feel to it, but I remember Dominique saying in one of her videos that she made it to where you can clean it really easily. She kind of wanted this to be like an accessory. So I haven't used the palette yet. I've looked at it, I've been waiting, but I haven't used it yet. So this is what it looks like on the inside. A bunch of really pretty neutrals, and then I see that it has like this blue, it has this like purple color, it has like this really nice like orange color. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm kind of just like gonna go into it, but I'm really excited. Okay, so like I said, I really don't know where I'm gonna start, where I'm gonna go with this. I just really wanted to use the palette in a tutorial. So I think, I really want, they're all mostly mattes. There's 3 shimmers in it. I wanna use the purple and I wanna use the blue somewhere, but the neutrals are so pretty, so I just don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the color Caramel, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia brush and just dip in there. I'm gonna start with my transition color. So I don't really want this to be a review. I don't think I really wanna do review videos, more so just tutorials, because I feel like whenever I watch YouTube, it's so overly saturated with like reviews, and it kind of just takes away the fun of watching the tutorial, because everyone just wants to see like the end result and if it's approved or anything like that. I kind of just want to do tutorials, and I just want to use the palette and have fun with whatever I'm using or whatever look I'm doing, and really just use it. Of course I'm gonna have like my opinions on it and like if it's working or not, but mostly I just want to do tutorials. So like right off the bat already, the palette has like a lot of kickback, but I don't feel like that's really a problem because right now that transition color is blending really pretty. And I like that so far it looks like that these are all like really buildable colors, because at first it wasn't as pigmented, but as I'm like building it up, it's blending out really pretty. So I'm just bringing in the color a little bit into my inner corners because I think I really do want to do kind of like a halo eye. I haven't done a really good halo eye in a long minute. It's mostly just been like those half cut creases or like a full cut crease. So I kind of want to do a really smoky halo eye. So yeah, there's a lot of kickback with these shadows, like a lot. But like I said, like there's a lot, but the shadow looks really pretty. It's not like other palettes that I've had a lot of kickback that don't blend well. I'm gonna take a Morphe E17 brush and I'm just going to deepen in that crease with the second color next to it. This is Hazelnut. It's a little bit more of a reddish brown, so I think this will blow out the crease a little bit more. I've been liking this brush to really get into some like detailed crease work. It keeps it right above my crease, but it still smokes it out enough to where you can see the actual color. I'm just really going in there and using this to blow it out. So far this is really pretty. This is like a classic like neutral palette so far. I like the colors, I think they're blending really well. So I'm gonna go with my MAC 221 brush, my go-to crease brush. This brush is everything, I'm telling you. And I'm going back into that hazelnut color. I'm just going to really define this crease. How do you guys feel about the white background? I kind of am over seeing the like colored papers with like little spotlight in the back. I like them on other people's, but I don't feel like I really like them for mine. I feel like I really want to start doing more of a, I really like the white, clean, like lifestyle-y type background where you can see just like maybe like a desk or like some plants in the back. Like I really like, here's some good examples. Like Ling KT, her background is like super gold, just like super cute. I like Erika Soto's, hers is really cute. Like just something like that, like a very simple, like lifestyle-y, like as if we're at home and I'm doing my makeup to get ready kind of look. I think that's what I'm gonna be aiming for. I think I'm gonna try and get like a desk in the back and then just like have like my drawers and something like that in the background. What do you guys think? Do you guys like that, or do you guys like that colored background more? Like that goes with the look. Okay, with that same MAC 221 brush, I'm going to go into the color Mocha and really deepen this crease in. I'm gonna really make it stand out. Oh my god, you guys, it's so crazy. I always end up filming at like at least 2 or like 3 in the morning. I don't know. Today was so busy, but it was like a good kind of busy. I went and did the Hourglass takeover for their Instagram. That was so much fun. The Venice store is so cute. I haven't been out to like Venice or like the Abbot Kinney Boulevard area yet. So getting to see that was really, really nice. I loved that area so much. I don't know why. It's just like, when I think of like California, that's what I think of. Like that very like OC kids like beachy type scene. Like, I always think about that. And then that's, to me, that's like what that shopping area was. It was just really like cute. And then after that, I came back home and I edited a mini video that was like way long overdue. My Patrick Star video was definitely way overdue, but my laptop was broken. I had to get it fixed. I had to figure out why I couldn't update it, all these different things just so I can get Final Cut. And I finally did it. So it's finally like edited and up. I am so proud of that video. I thought it was so cute, super good. And then you guys gave me a lot of really good feedback too. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for commenting and liking and thumbs upping it, all that good, cute stuff. It really means a lot to me. It's really important. I loved it. I'm loving this halo eye so far. It looks so smoky. It's very much like Latte coffee palette. It's very pretty neutral browns. I always get read by my friends for always doing a neutral like brown eye, but that's just what I love. That's what makes me feel comfortable. It makes me feel the most glam. I just feel so like sultry and like sexy and like a good brown like smoky type eye. So I mean, stay true to yourself. Do you, you know? Alright, so I'm going to start cutting in that halo eye, and I'm going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. You know, classic, it's what everyone uses. That's what I used to prime my eye, but I'm going to go in there now and start cutting out that like halo shape. So this is an Anastasia A4 brush, and then I'm just going to go, my eyes are hooded, so I'm going to look straight into the mirror, and then put it right above where my crease is, so you can kind of see it in the makeup, or like for a photo, and then I'm going to drag it straight down my eye, and then kind of just like push it off to the side a little bit. So there's that halo effect right there. So you want to set what's there in the middle. So I'm going to use a Morphe. This is a M412 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Vanilla Cream, and I'm just going to set that in the middle before I place my second color there. I'm going to take a MAC 230 brush and then my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go into the color Creme Brulee because I want like a really shiny, pretty center right here, and I'm going to press that down all here in the middle. So I'm just picking that up. I'm going to spray it a little bit. I'm sure you guys have seen that 1,000 times. It's funny because these shimmer colors don't pick up as much as the matte ones, which is kind of good, just because it means that it's a more concentrated eyeshadow. That's freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. That's such a pretty shiny color. I love neutral like shimmery colors like this. Oh, that's so pretty. That is such a pretty color. Now that that's set, I'm gonna go back in there again with this MAC 221 brush for the thousandth time. This is not like the last time you're ever gonna see this brush. I'm gonna use it 100 more times in this video. But I'm gonna go back into Mocha, and I'm gonna start deepening all this in and start smoking this back in so it all looks like it blends together. You just kind of re-blend it, like you want to like push the color back into that shimmery highlight color, but just make sure that it's really concentrated on the outsides. I really go in there with that 221 brush and I just go in with the color. So I'm basically just going to take all the colors that I used on the top to smoke everything out on the bottom, so that way it's really, really smoky and just like evened out. So I'm going to use the same hazelnut, caramel, and mocha colors on the bottom. Starting with hazelnut on that same E14 brush, I'm just going to start really smoking that out. I didn't really know what I was going to do whenever I came to this look. I kind of just had the idea that I wanted to do a more like halo eye. I kind of want this to be just a very wearable palette because I feel like all of Chris and Dominique's looks are very wearable. So I wanted to make this as true to like the maker as possible. So I'm making this just very smoky, very pretty, sultry colored eye. Then I'm gonna go in with a Morphe E36 brush on Mocha and just really tightline all that in there. I'm gonna make this super smoky. I love a really smoky under eye. I think it's just so sexy and it just makes the look completed. Yes, smoky eye, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with hazelnut and just kind of warm it up just a little bit more because I feel like I lost a little bit of that color under there. So I told myself I wasn't gonna do black because I really just did not want to do black with this look. I wanted to keep it very brown, very latte, coffee, like really just like pretty. So I'm not gonna do black, but I'm gonna do the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the color Brownie. I'm gonna use that all around my eye. I'm gonna do the waterline, my tight line, a little bit on top of the eye here and a little bit here and just smoke it all out. Oh, that already looks so good. I love a smoky liner. We're gonna oh, this is the hardest part though. I'm just gonna tightline this. This part is always so hard for me. I don't know why. We're not gonna do this too for size. I'm just gonna make sure that it is touching my lash line. I'm just gonna run this across because I'm just gonna smoke it out anyway with that mocha color. That's so pretty. It's like a really nice fall smoky eye. I mean, we're technically in February, so is it like winter? Is it spring? What is it? We can still get away with these smoky eyes, you know? We can still do these. So I'm just gonna lift this tape up. If you guys didn't know, I was wearing tape the entire time. I'm just gonna tap all that in. Any of this excess that's kind of gone right now. So apparently I'm super weird because I don't use tweezers to put on my lashes. I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. I have to use my fingers. I feel like I have more control. And with tweezers, it's just like too much. Like I just can't do it. So I'm going in. I'm just making sure I'm pinching my lashes with this and just bringing it all the way in. These lashes are everything. I'm obsessed with these. Boom. They just changed that entire look. They made it, look, lashes, no lashes. So much better with lashes. Oh, so sexy now. So if you guys haven't seen how I do my highlighter and blush, I kind of do it a little bit different. So I go in with my setting spray first, and then I do my highlight, so that way the highlight sticks and it's more like, it just looks brighter on the skin, and then I do the blush to kind of like blend my contour and my highlighter together. So I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray first, and then I'm going to go in with the new highlighter. So I'm super excited to try out this highlighter because I've been hearing about it a lot and seeing it. This is the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. So it just has 3 different colors. It looks like this is a lighter one, this would be the deeper one, and this is like a medium tone. So I'm just going to use that right here. Oh, that's really shiny. I haven't done a really beaming highlight in a long time. I've been using my Marc Jacobs Spotlights because I like that really like dewy skin type of highlight right now, but this is gorgeous. Put some on the nose. I feel like this is kind of different. This isn't like the In Extreme Dimension highlighters. It has like a different texture. It's a little bit more, the word's not chalky, but like it's a bit more, I think it's just more metallic. Like it just looks really shiny. It's not, the In Extreme Dimension ones have like more dimension to them, I guess, like you could say. It just has like more of a sheen, but these are like, these really pop. Catch that glow though. Boom, boom, boom. So now with the skin, since the eye is mostly matte, which is kind of like a shimmer in the middle, and then now the skin's really dewy, I think I want to keep this like shiny metallic like look, and I'm going to use an old favorite. This is the Kat Von D Mickey and Mallory blush. It's a matte like duo-sided pink blush. I'm going to use this deeper color right here and kind of blend the highlight and the contour together. I'm just going with this side right here. And then this is a Morphe M515 brush. And I like using this as my blush brush. And I kind of just like blend the two together in like circular motions. I start like really soft, and then I go right here in the middle and kind of just like blend it back and kind of like use the excess at the front. I feel like it just does a really pretty job of like blending the two, so you don't see a really like definitive like line. And then just so the whole look is kind of like all brought together, I do the blush right here between the highlight that I put on my forehead too and the contour here. So I kind of just blend all that right there. It kind of keeps it like cohesive and like, so I still want to keep this look kind of like neutral since the eyes are a little bit deeper and darker and the skin's so dewy now. So I'm just going to go in with my Oak MAC lip pencil and Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Gloss, and then just kind of mix the two together. just so this color has like a look. It's a little bit more brownie neutral, so it kind of goes with the look. It'll give my lips more of a contour, and the gloss will add that little bit of color and prettiness to it. So that just kind of contoured the lips a little bit, and now we're gonna add that gloss to make it a really flirty, pretty, sultry type look. All right, guys, and that is the finished look. I feel like this is a very me look. Just very soft, like sultry brown smoky eye with a really pretty glossy nude lip, and then very contoured, very dewy metallic skin. I'm obsessed. I think that this is definitely a very like fall palette. Like the colors in it are very warm, but then there's like that purple and that blue in it. So it's very just like, in my opinion, a fall type palette. But yeah, I think it looks so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, if you like these tutorials, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see reviews, let me know, because I kind of want to keep it tutorials, but if you guys like reviews better and that's what you want to see and you want my opinion on different palettes and stuff like that, then I can definitely do that. Just, like I said, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. In the description box, I have all the products that I used on my face just down there. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!